cooking good looking? What's cooking?
Hey, what's cooking good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by yours truly, T-Bone Mama Duke, aka The Duke. Well, you caught me at a good time. We're just about to harvest this beautiful potjie pot full of lamb neck curry. Oh man, come on, let's get her inside, have a little look. Just hang on a minute. Before we do that, why not let's go back in time, see how we did it. Shazam. So we begin our potjie curry adventure with a little bit of smoke and flame rub and about 1.5 kilos of lamb neck from the local butchers. Look at these big old chunks. So we're gonna rub it down with this Indian lamb roast overnight. Suspicious brown powder in the bag. We're just gonna distribute it evenly across the meat, give her a nice generous coat. Just get soaked up into that hunk of meat. Just a little shout out to the Smoke and Flame Rub Company. They've got a fantastic range of herbs and spices to literally, they've got your meat covered. Whatever the flavor, whatever you fancy. I'll leave a little link in the description below. And we are ready and see you tomorrow. Shazam. So we got some local wood here. We're just gonna light up a few woodies and we're just gonna get the party started. Best kind of party always begins with lighting up a fire, I'd say, in my opinion. Here you go. Stack the wood in a neat little pile, light with a match and puff a while. Ah, beautiful. I could stare at that all day long. And here she is, the star of today's show, the Potjie Pot. Stolen from Africa, all the way to here in South Gilly. You're just gonna move this fire over a little bit. We're gonna try and get a little bit of heat on the pot. The great thing about the Potjie Pot is you can just have it next to the fire. It'll take up the heat with it throughout the cast iron. Right, we're gonna add a handsome glug of oil. Let that heat up a minute. So it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna add our meat. Now, yeah, there ain't much sizzle there. I would prefer the oil to be a little bit hotter, but never mind. This fire is gonna die down a little bit in a minute. We'll put it straight over the coals when we got a little bit more, real estate to sit upon there like the front, and then we'll get a serious sizzle going for sure. Okay, hold up. So it's just editing this video, and I realized I left out one main ingredient in the pot. I was getting so excited, I just plain forgot it. I actually think I've done this before in a previous video, but anyway, if you spot what it is, you'll find out what it is at the end of the video. See you then. Back to the video. Close her up. Okay, we got to the space. No more messing around. We're going straight on over the fire, direct heat. We want to get a little sizzle, a little tan on this bad boys. Oh, look at that. Ain't that a beautiful sight? Let's have a little sneak peek. What we got? You've been bubbling away sizzling away for about 10 minutes. Oh, yeah, that's more like it. Look at that. Beautiful. Little brown Maillard reaction from the cast iron on that meat. Listen to that sizzle. And we just want to distribute we want to make sure everybody's equally tanned in the little cast iron pot today. I think it's time to hit them with the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna go in with a tin of tomato, chopped tomato, and we're just gonna add a little bit of hot water, clean out the tin, put a little gravy, okay, and stir it. Now I know you're not supposed to stir a potjie pot, but this ain't a typical potjie recipe. I do apologize to potjie aficionados. Okay, so we got 2 whole Scotch bonnet peppers out of the freezer, ready to go. Just gonna throw them straight in with a little garlic and ginger, chopped fine. Better add a little bit of extra hot chili powder just in case. And some cumin. You can't have a good curry without any cumin. Throw down a little coriander, ground coriander. We're going authentic. And of course a little bit of curry powder. Then we give her a little stir, let everybody that's been invited to the dance get to know each other. It is smelling good already. Oh, I almost forgot. We're gonna add some dried curry leaves. Dried because you can't get them fresh here in South Gilly. It's illegal, apparently. Don't know why. You gotta be dried. I think when I move on to my next house, I'm gonna grow a curly tree and a money tree also. That's looking good. We're just gonna top her up with a tiny bit more water, hot water. And you can't really see what's going on in there because it's real dark, so we're just gonna bring her off into the light, just have a quick look where everything's going on inside the pot, and then we'll close her up for the long haul. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Oh yeah, everybody's sitting correct. Just gonna let her bubble away for the next couple of hours. Gonna add another little bit of wood on there. Okay, I'm gonna head on back inside. Whew. Okay, we're 2.5 hours down. Let's have a little sneak peek at our Lamb Neck Curry. Oh, look at that. So bring her in the light, have a little sneak peek. Oh, that is looking good. Look at that color. The meat is coming away from the bone. Oh, okay. I think we better get, oh man. I think we better go inside, get our taters. It's almost time to add, it's time to add the taters to the pot. For sure. Okay, get back into position. You say potato, I say potato. You say potato, I say potato. Potato, potato. We're going. Shut up and dance with it. Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
I'm an expert at heating fragrant leaves in water.
Yeah.
You could say it's my specialty. Okay, so we've been bubbling away for another hour, and let's have a little looky. Oh, yeah. We are ready. Look at that. Potatoes done. The meat is done. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, man, I wish you guys could smell this at home. Oh, look at that. That meat. I mean, I don't want it to fall apart. I want to actually enjoy it on the plate. That's beautiful. I think you call that just lamb this. All right, but enough of that. Let's get her inside. Plate up. Now, usually a curry aficionado would have this with rice or naan bread or papadums, but I'm going animal. I'm going basic instinct on this. I'm just gonna have this on its own, just like this, cause this pot's for me. All right, make sure you get all that gravy there. I might actually grab some bread and mop her up. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's do that. Oh, look at that. Tender as a mama's love. Look at that. Fall off the fork. Oh, beautiful. I mean, oh, what a great afternoon of cooking this beautiful lamb neck. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, tender, delicious, juicy, and clean bones. Oh, you can see the anatomy of a lamb's neck. Don't tell Laszlo, whatever you do. Look at that. Let's go. Whew, let's go. It's got a little heat to it. You don't even miss the not having the onions. Anyway, that's just about all we got time for. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Shazam. Later, staters.